In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to pay with Apple Watch Series 10. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can make in-store contactless payments with any Apple Watch model, including the Series 10. In this video, I'm gonna showcase how you can attribute a card to your Apple Watch and how to issue the payment in-store. So first, if you haven't already assigned a card, this will be done by opening the Apple Watch application on your iPhone. So go into the Apple Watch app and inside, scroll down until you see Wallet and Apple Pay. So among the options of My Watch, you will find Wallet and Apple Pay after scrolling down. In here, you will be able to enable it, but if you previously used Apple Pay to issue payments, Apple Cash, and so on, it should be enabled by default. Afterwards, you have to add the card that you want to use as a payment method in this page. So choose the option to add a card and go through with the steps. If the card is already attributed to your Apple Wallet, it should be transferred here automatically, but if needed, input all of the details to add a new one. So the card number, expiration date, and security code. Any card that shows up here will be usable as a payment method on your Apple Watch. So now to actually issue the payment, on the Apple Watch itself, double tap the side button. So by double tapping the side button, you will open all of the payment methods attributed to the Apple Watch, and you will see this message, Hold near reader. Now you can scroll up and down on this list to select a specific card that will be used. Once it is highlighted here on the middle of your screen, it means that this card will be used to issue this payment. So now, with the double tap done and the card selected, just physically hold the Apple Watch in the card reader. You will hear a beep if it was successful and the payment method was successfully attributed to your wallet. The payment will go through and you can repeat this as many times as you wish. I hope I was able to help you on how to pay with Apple Watch Series 10. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.